This is how to make a sprite such as a ball move across the screen. So we'll start with a new project, and I'm going to delete the default sprite and find a more appropriate or interesting looking one such as ball. And first thing I want to do is say when the program is started, by clicking the green flag, I'm going to move the position of the ball to down here somewhere. So I go to events, see when that's clicked, motion, and I change the position. It should be go to go to 260, which I've sort of worked out in advance. -155 is a pretty good spot. If I click that now, it jumps to there. So wherever that moves to, when I start the program, it'll go over there ready to be moving from right to left. The next thing I'm going to do is say that I want to change the position of the ball by an amount, and repeat that. Let's try repeat forever first. So I'll say come here like this and say I'm going to change the position or change the X value by a certain amount. So let's do that. Let's change X by, in fact it's -10 to go left to right, and click the button, and there it goes. Now when it gets to the edge, it doesn't go back to the other side. In fact, it doesn't quite go off the edge. That's a quirk of the way Scratch works apparently. It's to prevent you from sort of thinking, well, it's gone off the screen, where has it gone? Anyway, that's the beginnings of it. It looks like it's a little bit low and off the screen, so I'll just change that to something like that, 145, see if that's any better. That looks a bit better. So what I want to do now is to say when it gets to the edge, actually what I'd like it to do is to jump back and to here and then scroll left again, just like it did. So we'll add in some code for that. So first thing, still keep the go to start position. That's pretty important that it does that. And I need a repeat until block like that. So I'm going to repeat until the position of the ball, the X position rather than the Y, which is this way and that way, gets to the left, which is, if you, as I point the arrow there, you can see here the X and Y positions lighting up. So when it's on the left, it's sort of in the -230-ish sort of range. So I need to have a data. I need the green one, where is it? Operator, yeah, here. So I need to say when something is less than something else. In this case, I'll say until, and in there I need to say X position, so that's here, drop that into the left box, is less than, let's say -240 approximately. And what I want to do is say, I don't need that, so get rid of that. So now it's saying do that until it gets to the left, and the program actually stopped at that point. So what I actually really want to now do is say when it does get to the left, repeat that whole process, so jump back to the right here, in which case I need a forever loop around this block here. So we'll go to control and put forever back in there. And now when I click this, it should go to there and jump back and can look like it's one continuous movement.